Hello, today we are solving May 2023 Unit 2 IAL paper, question number 4. Here in the part A of the question, we had already prepared material usage variance and material price variance. We had already prepared in 4A1 and 4A2, material price variance. Here now they are asking what is the total material cost variance that has happened. So what is that between the budgeted cost and the budgeted cost and the actual cost? Okay, what is the difference between them that has happened? Okay, so that we can understand whether everything was favorable or not. Okay, so the total material cost variance is calculated as total material usage variance that has happened, plus you will also use material price variance that has happened. Okay, so using this I am going to calculate what is the total cost variance that has happened. So that is going to be equal to material usage variance happened was 1632. So that is going to be equal to, I will take it with a negative sign, so minus, because it was adverse, it was adverse, it had a negative sign, it was the budgeted quantity was only 5540, but they have utilized more than the budgeted quantity, so it is an adverse. Okay, so now I am going to use this, put a negative sign here. So minus 1632 plus, this was favorable because they were able to achieve at a rate, they were able to procure raw materials at a rate less than the budgeted, so it had got favorable. So 1149.6, so you will write that. So that is going to be equal to 482.40 adverse. Okay, the adverse has been greater than the price variance, so the total cost variance difference is equal to 48482.40. So that is equal to 4840. I will remove the sign and I am going to call it as adverse. If you can see that the material usage variance was greater than the material price variance with an adverse value difference of about 482.40 adverse variance has happened.